Hello friends, today we are starting about Ashtara. It is the best, one of the best sites to make money from your website. It is so simple and very easy process. If you're not getting the approval from the AdSense, then you can get the approval from here. In the very simple option, you can take out the payments and all the things right here, and this is the best one of the best option to alternative from the AdSense. You can apply for your website and make it money online throughout this. If you're not getting in this, you can approve instantly. You can get approved in 60 seconds. You can get approved 60 seconds. It is for free, and you can install up, get the code and paste it in your site, and it will show the ads. In impressions you will get money and you will get the payment from them. How to you can start this? First of all, you have to sign up for that. In this you have to if you want to display the ads in your website, to go to as a publisher. If you want to advertise your website to as an advertiser. If you want to advertise your website, so you want to publish your website, then as a publisher. See here, I have already logged in, but I have show you how you can sign up. This name and email address, continue that. After that it will show you some information. I will show you some example. I have kept something. Email ID, I have taken some other email ID, and that you can continue. After that continue, you can get it. After the getting that, you get this, like if he will send you email confirmation, first name and last name, email ID. Then he will send a confirmation link. You have to go to Gmail and click the that Gmail confirm your registration. After confirmation, you will get the sign in. This you have to get to sign in as a publisher. To sign in as a publisher, you have to sign in with login ID and password. After that, login the ID, then you can start the making money online. Yesterday I have kept that, I got balance. You get everything here. See, earning 2.0, paid 0.00. You have got reference balance, adjustments, and all the time you can get payment also with this. You can approve instantly. Have the Blogspot also, you can approve it. See, you can approve from Blogspot also. After that, payments method. See, here the payment method. Available payment method option: Bitcoin, Paxum, PayPal. PayPal will charge you 2.5%. Bitcoin is transfer at least $100 to $100. Web money 1% of payout. Paxum all the way dollar every transaction, $1 for every transaction. Make sure that you have to take very big amount with this. The minimum payout with PayPal and Bitcoin is $100. Minimum payout for web money, Paxum, like $5, and minimum payout from payout for wire direct to your bank account, $1,000. After that, you will get the payments on the first or second of the month, or 16th or 17th of this month. Every first and second and 16 and 17, they will give 2 payments. And it is the trusted website. They have big sponsors also. The website, how you can add your website, I will show you. First, here, after coming to the dashboard, they will show you this type of dashboard to you. Dashboard, come to the statistic analysis. This is your strategy analysis. Okay, this is your analysis. Go to the website. After getting the website, you can add your website. See here, the add a new website. You can do it very easily within your phone. I am doing it with phone. See, first of all you have to add a website. Second one, you have to press select a website category. After that you can get approved for this. After you get approving for this, you can just within a second you get approved. Refresh the page, you get approved, and you have get only one code. If you want to more code, see how to apply the code. If you take these codes, all codes will display here. See here is the 3 code. Activate, press on activate, click here. This link was copy this link, paste into the your blog or website, add a HTML box, HTML site, pasted the link, and you can display your ads from there. If you had add a more ad, then you can see apply for add it, then the request will be sent. Within a few seconds you can get approved for any ad. This is the best way to you can promote your monetize your website and make money online from today. It is not matter how the traffic is coming to you, how much traffic. If you getting a one traffic per day, you can approve, but you have to just taking yourself, you have to just improve your website like a pro. This is a I advised you. If AdSense not approving you, then you can alternate for this one is the best option for that thing. Now you can enjoy this video. I think you will like our video. Just comment touch how you get this video. If you like it, then share it with your friends. Bye friends.